Hi again, guys. Here's my second video. It's on area and circumference. Area is just another way of saying what's the measure of the surface of a circle. So if I have a circle and I wanted to know how much material I would need to cover this circle or the surface of it, I would take what's called the area. The formula for area is pi, which is 3.14, times whatever our radius is squared. Squared means times itself. So that means if the radius was 3, then I would say 3 times 3. It does not mean 3 times 2. So in this case, the radius of our circle is 6. We want to know how much material we need to cover the circle. So we do 6 squared. Remember, order of operations, do exponents first. 6 times 6 is 36. Then put times pi. Multiply it out, replacing pi with 3.14, and we get 113.04 centimeters squared. Squared is what we must put in our units when we're referring to area. Easy way to remember is that the formula for area has a squared after the radius, so that should help you remember to put the squared after the units. We also talked about circumference. Circumference means the fence around the circle. Like if I wanted to just measure the outside part of my circle, just the line of the circle, then I would do pi times diameter. So easy way to remember, it's like a fence. Okay, if I was measuring the fencing along my circular property, and you can almost see the word fence in the word circumference. Easy way to remember. I also taught you that CD was an easy way to remember. D comes after C in the alphabet. So you can remember this formula goes with circumference, with the D goes with the C. Okay, so again, if they ask me to find the circumference, I do diameter times pi, which is what I did down here. Pi times 18, the best way to do it is you put the number in front and then multiply it out. Notice my units, centimeters, were not squared because I'm talking about circumference. Now, sometimes they're not going to give you the diameter and they'll give you the radius. So you have to remember that the radius is just is part of a diameter. It's half of a diameter. So to go from a radius to diameter, you would have to times it by 2. And sometimes here for area, they won't give you the radius. They'll give you the diameter. So you have to remember to divide it by 2 first. So a good strategy is to write your radius and your diameter for every problem you get so that you know which one you need for your formula. All right, guys, I hope you are doing well. I will talk to you soon. Sending love. Bye.